everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have my very last empties for 2017, but you'll probably be watching this, I'd say the 1st or 2nd of January. So let me start off by saying Happy New Year. Hope everyone celebrated a great New Year surrounded by the ones you love. And of course, hope that everyone's healthy, happy, and stepped in the new year on a happy note. So here we have our empties. So there's quite a few in this big bag here. So if you want to see what I used up in the month of December, please keep on watching. I thought I would use this beautiful backdrop one last time before I have to put away my Christmas tree. So I thought you would enjoy this, my beautiful tree, as my background as much as I do. So let's start off with the items I used up. So again, in no particular order, I'm just pulling them out of the bag I showed you earlier. So first of all, I used up one of these plackers, and these I believe I picked up at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. That's what it costs here in Canada, and these are my go-to. I always stock up on these. Absolutely love them and have repurchased and will continue to repurchase. The thread does not break or anything like that. It is really, really good, and these are the mint flavor, which is an added bonus, and there's 60 in the package. Next, I used up from Bath and Body Works the Paris Luxury Bubble Bath, and by the time you watch this, you would have seen one of my previous Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale hauls. I didn't pick up this particular scent, but I did pick up Bubbles, which that's when I tend to stock up during their semi-annual sale, and I love Bath and Body Works bubble bath, so this is no different. Absolutely loved it. It was a nice scent. Will continue to purchase from the Body Shop. I used up one of these vitamin C Daily Glow cleansing polish. Really enjoy this. This has a little bit of the granular sandy type particles to exfoliate, and I really did enjoy this. And this is 125 ml, and for some reason this lasted me a while. So definitely love the vitamin C brand. I have purchased, repurchased, and will continue to do so. Used up a Dove Advanced Care deodorant, and this is in the coconut scent. And if you recall watching my trash videos over the summer, this was in one of my used up items, and in the summer, for whatever reason, I do not enjoy this deodorant. It leaves almost like a greasy film under my arms. However, in the winter, I very much do enjoy it. So to me, this is a seasonal deodorant. I love it in the winter, not so much in the summer. In the summer, I feel I need something more powerful. So, but I do really love the scent. Used up an AIM dental floss. This is my favorite dental floss, even more so than the Oral-B. For whatever reason, I prefer this one. This I pick up at Dollarama. I will continue to purchase it. I have finished it, so I need to head over to the Dollarama and pick another one up. So you may see a Dollarama haul in the very near future, because you know you can't go into the store and just buy one item. Keeping up with the oral hygiene, I used one of these travel packages of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, and one of my goals for 2018 is to use my samples, because if I don't, they'll expire and they won't be any good to anyone. So I did use up one of these, and it's toothpaste. Hey, it's good. It does what it's supposed to do. By the Skintimate brand, I used up one of these Skin Therapy Moisturizing Shaving Gel. This is with vitamin E. I very much enjoy the Skintimate brand, any scent for that matter, and I will definitely repurchase. I do have a little stock of it right now, but when that stock is over, or when we have an amazing sale, price matching with coupons, we'll definitely purchase again. Hubby used his Holy Grail Old Spice, and this is in the scent Arctic Force. His go-to is Old Spice. That's his number one. His number two is Axe. So we'll continue to purchase this for hubby. Finally finished up one of my, is it Marseille that you pronounce this? This is in the Orange Blossom scent, extra gentle. This is a shower cream. I got this from, I believe it was Chick Advisor, for free. In turn, I was to provide them with a review, which I did, and I absolutely love this. It left you so clean and fresh, and your skin so soft. It was like bathing in lotion, but did not have that greasy feeling whatsoever. Absolutely love this and definitely recommend it. Hubby finished up one of his colognes. This was the Giorgio Armani. Very, very luxurious scent. This was a Christmas gift to him last year. He finished it up and he's quite sad because he wants more, so maybe we will need to wait for it to go on sale or use some optimum points from Shoppers Drug Mart, because this unfortunately is a little bit pricey, but oh, it smells so wonderful, so nice. Used up one of these sample of the Sunlight laundry packs. I will be honest, I did not like this. The little pack itself did not dissolve properly and it stained my clothes. So I'm glad it was a sample and I'm glad I didn't pay for it, because I will not purchase this. And that's the reason why samples are good, because you get to try it before you buy it, and I will not be buying this. My hairdresser gave me a couple of these samples. This is an elixir, an oil elixir for my hair, and this one as well. And these were really nice, and these were actually nice size samples. Usually samples I need more than one for my hair, but I was able to use these multiple times, so I'm not sure if you can make out the name there, but these were really good. I don't know what they retail for, but I would imagine they're a little bit on the pricier end, but definitely keeping these aside and getting a quote on these, either on Amazon, see if I can find them on Amazon, or my hairdresser, although she'd probably be a little bit pricier than Amazon, but who knows. But these were really, really good, and they just leave that scent when you walk out of the salon. Really, really like these. And I used up two. These were in my last Empties videos as well. This is the, I think you pronounce it Riversol brand. It's a lightweight moisturizing lotion and a refreshing gel cleanser, and I couldn't rave enough about these. These are so, so good. Again, they sent me a package enough for a month of a combination of the lotion, cleanser, and eye serum, and these are fantastic. I have not tried such good products, so I'm definitely going to do my homework research and see how much full size or deluxe size samples would cost me, because this left my skin feeling like a baby's bottom. No word of a lie. And super moisturized without feeling oily. Absolutely loved this. And the last couple of items, they are home fragrance items. So the first one was is the Sensationals brand. So I purchased this at Walmart. This is one of their $1.88 sales. They had that huge bin with marked down wax melts, this being one of them. And this is in the roasted chestnuts, limited edition, you can see there. And I absolutely love this. People have different way of describing the scent. To me, it almost has like a marshmallow type scent, like a fireside marshmallow kind of scent, and I absolutely love this so much that I went out the next week or so to see if I can find them. So I have about 5 in stock right now, 5 of these packages, and I can't rave enough about this. This is a wonderful scent, not too overpowering, but you can smell it, and it's a softer scent. Love this. This is probably my top 5 favorite wax melt scents. In wax melt, I used up one of these packages. These are the Glade Apple Cinnamon. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that Apple Cinnamon is one of my favorite scents. And this is by the Glade brand, and it was really nice. And it was actually a very strong throw. Didn't last as long as the Sensationals, but definitely a nice scent. I would purchase this again, absolutely. And of course, Glade always has coupons, so definitely match it up with a coupon and a sale, and you can't go wrong. You'll pay next to nothing. Next three items are Wallflowers by Bath and Body Works. So I used up a Snow Mountain Lodge, which I loved very much. Used up a Grapefruit Gin Fizz, which I also liked very much. Very nice and refreshing, and almost like a tart. And last but not least, my number one favorite scent is the Marshmallow Fireside. I have quite a stock of these in regards to wallflowers and to candles, and they are my favorite. Marshmallow Fireside is my absolute favorite. And lastly, we have two 3-wick candles. So we have, first, we have the beautiful, beautiful marbleized container here, which I absolutely love, which I'm going to refurbish. And this was the White Barn Collection Chestnut and Clove, which I liked very much. To me personally, it didn't have an overly strong throw, but it was very nice. And the candle itself, it burnt quite nicely and pooled quite nicely, and the throw was decent, and it was okay. I mean, it didn't have that awful scent or awful smell at the end that's almost like a gas smell or like a burning smell. Didn't have that at all. So I really liked this candle. This one here, the Smoked Birch, which again was very, very beautiful. It burnt nicely. Very disappointed with this one. It did not throw at all. I couldn't even smell it. I was sitting or standing right beside the candle while it was burning. There was no scent whatsoever. On cold, it had a beautiful marshmallowy fire type scent. On cold, when you burned it, there was no scent whatsoever. Very, very disappointed with this candle. Maybe I had a dud, but I was not impressed whatsoever. We have the ever famous Winter Candy Apple, which never disappoints. Burnt very nicely. Love the scent. I love Winter Candy Apple. If you watch my previous Bath and Body Works haul, I purchased a lot of their bath products, their bubble bath and their creams and their scrubs. You can't go wrong with the scent. Super nice, strong throwing. And the last one was this one right over here, Be Joyful. Very, very nice, and loved it. And again, a beautiful scent, and definitely will repurchase it. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I know I've had a lot of empties this time around. Hope you enjoyed the reviews. Let me know down below if you agree or disagree with any of my mini reviews. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. And like always, I will talk to you in my next video. Probably not with this beautiful background, but we will definitely have a different background for you. Again, hugs and kisses, and we'll talk very soon. Bye, everyone.